Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to easily remove color from images in Canva, a super handy trick that's especially perfect if you want to make your own coloring books to sell on Amazon KDP. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform any image into a black and white outline, ready for coloring, all inside Canva. So whether you're a creator, an educator, or just someone looking for a fun project, this process is surprisingly simple, and I'll walk you through each step. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, head over to Canva. You can use either the website or the app. If you don't already have a Canva account, don't worry, it's free to sign up and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, look for that big purple Create a Design button up in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. In the search bar that pops up, type book. Canva will suggest different book templates. Pretty nifty, right? This isn't strictly necessary for every project, but starting with a book template can save you a lot of time if you're making pages for a coloring book. It automatically sets up your canvas to the right size for publishing on KDP, making sure you don't run into sizing issues later. Now let's add the image you want to use. Click on the Elements tab on the side, then choose Photos or upload your own picture if you have one in mind. Just drag your chosen image onto the canvas. If you're already imagining kids or adults grabbing their colored pencils, you're on the right track. Here comes the fun part, making your image black and white. Click on the image to select it, then look for the Edit Photo option above the canvas. In the Edit menu, find the Filters section. Scroll through until you see the filter called Mono or sometimes Noir depending on your version of Canva. Go ahead and apply that filter. You'll see all the color drain out and the image turn into crisp grayscale right away. It might seem like magic, but what's really happening is that the filter strips away all the hue details, leaving only light and shadow. This is essential for coloring books because you want your images to be simple but still clear enough to color inside the lines. But don't stop there. Once the filter is applied, take a moment to fine-tune the look. There's an Adjust panel where you can slide options like brightness and contrast back and forth. If your image looks too faded or too dark, just nudge the sliders a little at a time and watch the changes happen in real time. Think of this as a way to find the right balance. Too much contrast and lines might blend together. Too little and the image could turn out too faint to color. Take your time here, and remember you can always undo a change if you don't like it. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've taken a full-color image and transformed it into the perfect coloring book page, ready to upload to your KDP project or share with family and friends. Remember, you can repeat this process with any image you want and experiment with different adjustments until you find the style that suits your vision. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own Canva tips, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more easy design tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy creating.